I got the GoPro Silver again. That is the river. We're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna go up that big hill.
Sounds like somebody might be cutting grass.
Might be. Further away than here though.
Okay.
Yeah. See how stable this takes it. I'm not gonna let you hear us huff and puff up this hill. We'll let you hear the vans probably huff and puff up this hill. I think manana, tomorrow. We're thinking tomorrow. Not because we want to leave, just because we want to see other places. That's the other loop of the campground. It comes up over here and it's a lot steeper than this. But this has got a lot of wash. Okay. Walking and walking and talking and walking. GoPro. See, this is the kind of thing you see a lot up here. This is just some road that very few people go down. And you could easily just park there overnight. Oh, we finally know what road we're on. River Road. And this is Furley's Road. This is where she said to turn.
I think so.
We're gonna turn here. High transmission lines going from Marquette to somewhere, I would guess, right? We don't know. Other somewhere. We're questioning our instructions, but it's still pretty. We may have arrived at somebody's camp. We have arrived at somebody's camp. Welcome to the river. Oh, that's nice.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that cute?
Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow.
That's my exact idea of what I would want. Not fancy, just really cute. They got security system. We're not going any closer. We're just admiring your beautiful... That's nice. That's really nice. Honestly, for me, that might be perfect. I always thought a lake, but that river is beautiful. We believe this is the bridge she was talking about. Just a little tributary. Look at that. Somebody's... She did, and you cannot. Yeah.
There's no beaver dam.
But this is a tributary. I think there's more ahead. That's a nice little cabin. See how this goes into there over there? The UP is just stunning. Only wish summers could be a little longer. They don't want you back there. There's a lot of... That's another nice cabin up there. They got a jungle gym.
A tiny one.
Yeah. GoPro stuff. There's another camp. Lots of "this is mine, you go away" signs. Somebody does a lot of mowing. There's two more back in there. I don't think anybody's been here in a while. Not this year. That's a long way back there. Go. I think we've decided this is it on this road. We'll go back. Maybe there's another path we missed for the little beaver dam that we paddled up to. She made it sound like you could get right to it. I don't know if they were bad directions or bad ears on my part. Our parts. I blame you.
Okay.
I don't blame her. All right. Heading back to the animals and great camping spot. All right, we're gonna like this puppy. There's one. I put two fire starters in here. Trying to light the bottom of the egg carton. I think it's going. All right.
said no. He's trying to get in here.
There we go.
He's fucking good, man.
This is all beautiful, but I also like watching the clouds move. It's not going to be very long. Still just a fantastic place to have a campfire. I get it built early and we'll set this sucker ablaze here in a little while. I got a good feeling this is going to be a good fire. I don't do huge bonfires because after a while, after an hour or two, I kind of get bored. But this will be a good one. Pretty sure I got adult ADD. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah. Trying to light it.
Let's see if we can get that lit. Let's see if it'll light. I'm going to do a little of letting it dance with the music and a little snap, crackle, and pop for you.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I'll zoom in. You could hear that little beaver water.
Gotta go get my fork. That is quite the fire.
It's going now.
I gotta take a picture of that. 277. That's my page.
Should burn today, I hope. Yeah. Can't focus for beans, but it's good. Oh man, Jiffy Pop. I'm 12 years old again.
Wait a minute, I didn't get this last year.
This was a much longer process than either of us remembered.
I mean, the steam's been coming out of it for 5 minutes.
Isn't she doing great with patience? I'd burn them all if it was me. There went one. Here comes another beaver.
Oh, yeah? Sounds like hell.
Where's that beaver go? There it is. Here comes the third one.
It's a whole family.
That's Jiffy Pop. I'm going to take pictures of the beavers. Smells like the movie YouTuber. She makes great popcorn. I haven't had Jiffy Pop in so long. That's awesome. That's really good. I'm gonna go ham on this stuff. Truly a fantastic place to camp for a few days. We're going to miss it, even though there's good things to come. Hope you enjoyed, and if you get a chance, come check out Moose Rapids. You'll like it too, and you'll have a great and wonderful day.